Whether you're seeking a cozy spot for relaxation in your backyard, a stylish addition to your indoor space, or a portable seating option for outdoor adventures, we have hammock chairs on this list that you'll love. If you're new to the wonders of hammock chairs, do a deep dive into our What to Consider section for the best tips to make sure your next purchase aligns best with your needs and preferences. We've explored a variety of hammock chairs, considering factors such as comfort, durability, design, and versatility. From woven styles to modern and portable ergonomic designs, there is a hammock chair that suits every preference and lifestyle. Number 1. Chaihi Hammock Chair. The Chaihi Hammock Chair is a versatile and stylish seating solution that enhances any space with a splash of cozy comfort. Its cotton cloth seat is breathable, making it suitable for warm weather, while the natural wooden spreader bar offers ample space and stability. The wooden spreader bar isn't sealed and may degrade quickly when left outside, so this chair may be better suited for indoor use or with a replacement bar. It is easy to install with just one suspension point, saving space and adding more stability. Although it is a budget pick, this hammock chair can last several years if well cared for and kept clean. Whether you're lounging in your backyard, on the beach, or on your patio, the Chaihi Hammock Chair is a must-have. Number 2. Yellow Leaf Hammocks Hanging Chair. The Yellow Leaf Chair hammock offers a snugger, more compact option compared to traditional hammocks, ideal for backyard relaxation. Although full reclining isn't possible, this chair hammock is perfect for those who prefer an upright posture, whether for reading or sipping morning beverages on the patio. Crafted from soft, cocoon-like woven fabric, it envelops you in plush comfort. Crafted by skilled artisans with ultra-soft yarn, featuring over 100,000 loops in its triple weave construction and weather-safe performance yarn, ensuring fade resistance and quick drying capabilities, it endures rain and humidity without rot or mildew. Plus, its portability makes it suitable for various outdoor activities. Yellow Leaf now offers the Vista, a portable stand, for on-the-go relaxation. Number 3. Misley Hammock Chair. Crafted with quality in mind, this hammock chair is designed to support up to 500 pounds, ensuring stability and safety for users of all sizes. Constructed with a sturdy steel spreader bar and reinforced with anti-slip rings, this hammock chair offers peace of mind as you sway gently in the breeze. Whether you want to create a cozy corner in your bedroom or lounge comfortably in your backyard, the Misley Hammock Chair Swing provides a versatile seating option for any space. Designed for ultimate comfort, the hammock chair features a soft, breathable fabric that molds to your body, allowing you to unwind and relax after a long day. Its ergonomic design provides optimal support for your back and neck, making it the ideal spot for reading, napping, or simply enjoying the outdoors. Easy to install and maintain, this hammock chair is a hassle-free addition to your home or outdoor oasis. Simply hang it from a sturdy beam, tree branch, or hammock stand, and you're ready to enjoy hours of blissful relaxation. Upgrade your lounging experience with the Misley Hammock Chair Swing today. Number 4. Highwild Hanging Rope Swing Hammock Chair. The Highwild Hammock Chair is not just about style, it's engineered for safety and strength. With its sturdy steel spreader bar and anti-slip rings, this hammock chair is built to last. Handcrafted from soft yet durable polyester cotton ropes and canvas fabric, it promises superior comfort and longevity, ensuring you can enjoy it for years to come. Enjoy convenience with easy relocation, set it up anywhere from your bedroom to the patio in seconds. Installation is a breeze, with included hardware ensuring a secure hang. Plus, its bohemian charm adds style to any space. Unlike other hammock chair options, this one acts more like a chair than a hammock, so taller or bigger individuals may not find the design as comfortable. With easy maintenance and resistance to mildew and fading, this hammock chair is perfect for an outdoor patio. Number 5. Nemo Stargaze Reclining Camp Chair. The Nemo Stargaze Reclining Camp Chair offers a portable relaxation experience, combining innovative design with exceptional comfort. It features a smooth swinging motion that adjusts to your preferred sitting angle and an auto-recline functionality. Tension straps support a deep reclining angle, providing a panoramic view of the night sky, and the padded headrest provides additional comfort for users of various heights. Unlike traditional rockers, the Stargaze has a low center of gravity for stability on any terrain, making it perfect for rocky, sandy, or uneven surfaces. While it is more of a chair than a hammock, it is often labeled as a hammock chair option. The reclining feature provides a hammock-type sitting position, and the portability of this chair is hard to beat. The NEM Zero Stargaze offers an excellent value with a lifetime warranty and an excellent repair program. Ideal for camping enthusiasts, photographers, or anyone seeking a comfortable outdoor seating solution, this chair delivers on its promise of comfort, durability, and ease of use.